Hello and welcome to the new video. In this video, we will be recreating our old video, that is the logo of the Flash. So without wasting any time, let's get started and let's create the logo of the Flash. So take the pen tool by pressing the shortcut TP and create a line by pressing shift like this. You need to create it like this. Now right click on it, click on transform, click on reflect and copy it. Now you need to reverse it like this and you need to adjust it. Now take the direct selection tool and adjust the anchor points. Click on the anchor points, right click, now click on average, click on OK, and now join it. Now join the other one. Increase its size. Take the pen tool again and follow these steps. Select both. Click on the Pathfinder tool and click on this Divide Pathfinder tool. Ungroup it. Now I have already created the gradient colors, so I will be giving the color codes in the description of the video. You can copy it. I will be giving the gradients to this shape. Now change the angle of the gradients. Like this. After that, take a rectangle and you need to set the size of this rectangle as the size of your artboard. I will give it a dark color. Set it to back. Now group both. After that, we will apply some effects. Click on effect. Now click on stylize and click on drop shadow. Now with these parameters, click on OK. Click on effect. Click on stylize. Click on inner glow. With these parameters, click on OK. Again, click on effect. Click on stylize and click on outer glow. Make a copy of it. Give it a darker color. I will be giving the black color. And let's adjust it. So that is how we can create the Flash logo in Adobe Illustrator with some effects and with the gradient. So if you learn from this video, and if you like the video, hit on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a very lovely day. Bye.